Let me show you how I created this exact business card on Canva for free. So let's get started. We're gonna head to Canva and then click on create and then go type in business card. After typing in business card, you can select however you want, like portrait, landscape. I've chosen landscape. So you can take that and then we will land up on this page. And then you can take up any design, like, any design just for our initial designing. I just chose one of the designs and then modified it so that I don't have to do a lot of work. So I just chose this one. Now we're gonna head to the elements tab in the left hand side and then type in makeup so that we can have some elements that we can use in a business card. So I'm gonna take a couple of things, but just for the starters I took this one, and we're gonna change that one later. So now changing the name to Angelina Jolie, as she's someone we all know, and then changing this one to makeup artist. Okay, and I don't like the color for this one. Let's go with the Barbie theme today. So we're just gonna go and choose the color. I'm just trying out different things to see which one looks better, but I will end up definitely having a pink color here. So I'm gonna go to the plus sign over there and choose the color that I want. So here I go, and then I'm just checking out colors, which one I'm telling you will go with pink. So here is a pink, and then I want to make it a little lighter, like most lighter, and we're gonna go with the text to be pink. So let's see how blue looks or purple looks. And then no, I don't like it right now, but we're gonna change later. So let's change this one to a different textile and then make the name bigger so that whoever you land your business card to can have this, can know your name. Now we're gonna use some elements from the elements tab, and so we've got our brushes. We're gonna need some lipstick, powder, blush. So we're gonna go there, just have to finish up adjusting this one, and I definitely don't like the color. I'm gonna change this one, I'm telling you. So I'm telling you right now. Okay, and we're gonna change all these things as well, like the address, phone, email, all of that, but just bear with me for some time. Now we're gonna highlight all of them and move them downward so that we can have enough space for our name and our title, what we do. So here we are makeup artist. I have changed the text to pink color. As I said, we are going with the Barbie theme, and then I have also done some effects for the makeup artist. Now we're gonna add some more elements here, so let's adjust them. Like we got our blush, our brushes. Now we're gonna need some more, and mind you, the one that have this crown are the paid version, so we don't have to pick anything that is paid. So we're just gonna use the free ones which do not have that crown sign in it. So I'm taking few of them so that I can create the one for free so that you don't have to pay any money here. But definitely if you don't want to go through this work and want me to create a business card, I'm up for it. And then you're going to change all the text here and change the color as well. And here we are, and now our card is completely ready, and I can show you how it will look when you print. So Canva has this amazing feature where they can you can also order your business card and printed business cards, and let me show you how it will look. So this is how it will look, if you will get it printed. So it's up to you. Thank you so much. And if you like my videos, you can please like and subscribe for more of these videos where I can keep showing you how to create these amazing designs. Thank you.